Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect moisturized and defined twist out every time. And these twist out results are from the twists I did in my last video where I showed you guys how to trim your ends while your hair is curly and in twists. So if you guys want to see how I actually put my hair in the twists, make sure to check out my previous video, which I'll link in the description box below. And the two products that I used to do my twists in that video were the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Leave-In Lotion from their Anti-Breakage collection and the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa 100% Pure Jojoba Oil. And all the products will be linked in the description box below, along with all my other favorite natural hair products. And the first step in taking down the twists is to oil your hands and apply the oil all over your hair while it's still in the twists. This prevents frizz and makes the hair really shiny and makes it easier to take the twist down. And when taking the twist down, to prevent breaking off your ends and snagging your hair, twirl your finger around the end of the twist in the opposite direction that you twisted the hair, and then continue twirling your finger as you go up the twist to continue maintaining the definition. And right here, I almost broke my hair off because the ends got stuck in the twist. And if this happens, unravel the hair really carefully until it detaches and then keep going. And whatever you do, do not just rip your hair out of the tangle, because if you do, this will just give you split ends and make it harder for you to retain length over time. Next, to shape my hair and add volume, I'm using more oil on my hands to separate the curls. And to get rid of the parts of my hair from the twists and add even more volume, I like to massage my scalp to fluff out the roots. And lastly, to style my hair, I'm using this bandana that I got from Target as a headband. And guys, don't even ask why I make these crazy faces while I'm trying to concentrate, because I could not tell you why my mouth is open. And this was the final twist out hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below any of your tips for a perfect twist out, and subscribe to my channel for more natural hair tips and tutorials. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!